Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this case, from the quadratic equation, we shall take quadratic formula by which we can see how to solve a quadratic equation to find the roots, and also we shall take nature of roots, we shall take their conditions. So first of all, we take quadratic formula. The quadratic formula to find the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is not equal to 0 is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here the expression b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. And is denoted by capital D. Therefore, capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is discriminant. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root d over 2a, which are minus b over 2a plus square root d over 2a and minus b minus square root d over minus b over 2a minus square root d over 2a. Here a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. C is constant term. For example, in equation 4x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0, a is 4, b is minus 5, c is 1. So discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to plus minus x is equal to minus b plus minus square root d over 2a minus minus 5 plus minus square root 9 over 2 into 4, which is equal to 5 plus minus 3 over 8. This is 5 plus 3 over 8, comma 5 minus 3 over 8, which is 8 over 8, comma 2 over 8. So this is 1 and 1 over 4. These are the roots. Then this is how to find discriminant and roots of quadratic equation. We shall take in the questions. Then we take nature of roots. Nature of roots. Number 1, if discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0, then the roots are real. Second, if d is equal to b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative. Therefore, the roots are not real. The roots are not real. Third, if d is greater than 0, then the roots are real and different. That is unequal. Fourth, if d is equal to 0, if d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Now, so these are the conditions. If d is greater than equal to 0, that is it is positive or 0, then the roots are real. If it is negative, less than 0, then the roots are not real. If d is positive, then the roots are different, unequal and real. If d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Now we take questions in which we shall see how to find the discriminant, nature of roots, and also the roots. First question, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And hence find the nature of roots. And hence find the nature of roots. Nature of roots. Solution we have given equation is we have 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. We shall compare this with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, a is the coefficient of x square, b that is which is coefficient of x, this is minus 4, and c is constant term which is plus 3. Now discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 16 minus 24. 16 minus 24, which is minus 8. Therefore, D is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are not real. The roots are not real. Second question. Second question, find the discriminant of equation. Find the discriminant of equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 over 3 is equal to 0. And hence find the nature of roots. And hence find the nature of roots. Find them, that is, find the roots if they are real. If they are real. Solution we have, the equation is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 over 3 is equal to 0. Take LCM, 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3 is LCM, we have cross multiplied. So A is coefficient of x square, which is 9, B is coefficient of x, which is minus 6, C is constant of which is plus 1. Discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC. It is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 1. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. You know, when D is 0, then the roots are real and equal. The roots are minus B plus minus square root D over 2A minus minus 6 plus minus square root 0 over 2 into 9, which is 6 over 18 comma 6 over 18 because they are equal. So the roots are 1 over 3 comma 1 over 3. Third question. Find the nature of roots. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. Of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, if the real roots exist, then find them. Find them. Solution we have, first part, we have 3x squared minus 4 square root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Second part, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Solution, first part, we have 3x square minus 4 square root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square, which is plus 3. B is coefficient of x is minus 4 square root 3. C is constant term, which is plus 4. Now we find discriminant d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 4 square root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. 4ac. So this is 48 minus 48, this is 0. Therefore the roots are real and equal. As we have done in the previous part, the roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root d over 2a minus 4 square root 3 plus minus square root 0 over 2 into 3. This is 4 square root 3 over 6 comma 4 square root 3 over 6. So this is 2 square root 3 by 3 comma 2 square root 3 by 3. Then we take second part. The given equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square, which is 2. B is coefficient of x, which is minus 6. C is a constant term, plus 3. Find out discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So it is 36 minus 24, which is 12. Therefore d is positive, greater than 0. Therefore the roots are real and unequal. The roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root d over 2a minus 6 of plus minus square root 12 over 2 into a is 2. This is 6 plus minus 2 square root 3 over 4. 2 common. It is 3 plus square root 3 over 4. This is 2 plus minus. Therefore the roots are 3 plus square root 3 by 2 comma 3 minus square root 3 by 2. This is the answer. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take more questions relating to quadratic formula and the nature of roots. We shall find the nature as well as the roots of the given equation if they are real. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.